O leo tātou se mai, ia, e le tātou Samoa Business Hour. With our marketing updates, ia, ma le updates ma le Digicel. Leo whatasi mai le fionga ia Leaupepe Tala'i Junior Lene. Mai le our marketing. Ia mo le tātou reporti pe ona masani ai. Ia, I vai Aso Tofi. So, without further ado, ia, fia whawhelo iatu whatalo whatu I lo fionga sa tuala I le nei vaenga o le fiafi.
Patalo fatu lau talenga o matangi ia pola wa fionga fo le sa whawhelo atu fo I paanga le tātou pokalame o mwhauna mafuta mai ia I le tautua le tātou PMN Samoa I le peo na iai I afiafi o Aso Tofi taitasi ma lo le soi fo manuia ma lo fo lau fo I ngā ruenga a matalo nei masina.
Ia, malo foi, malo whalau manuia, malo tau atai, io e leo tātou tau mai I le Aso Tofi mua o le masino Noevma, which means, I don't know, Leaupepe na e sila I le vai aso na tia nei, e le TikTok ngā Mariah Carey, e le TikTok ngā le tumaita I pese leo Mariah Carey, le sa wha saulunga le TikTok. For my Mariah Carey, it's time! Lona winga, ia walata mai foi le Kirisimasi, ia mwhai unga foi le tausanga I au mga ruenga.
O le mea ia au matangi o le wa matana pasi atu I whaloloa. Ia wa matana e mo mai ia mo lio o te unga o whaloloa.
Yes.
So we're right in the start of the festive season. But ke le pisingi sira wa makang whaila ko whaloloa Kirisimasi. Matana fo. And yeah, it's something that we all look forward to finish the year. So as business owners, we all need to look at ways that we can serve our customers better and also create some excitement because it is a season of celebration. Everybody looks forward to Christmas. It's been a long year. Everybody's been working really hard. And hopefully we can all come up with something refreshing and something that people will like, especially kako Digicel, kako promotions yang I mentioned last week. So starting Monday, I come with Fongale Tautua Tato ClickX, who is one of our partners to send money to Samoa and other Pacific countries. If you use ClickX to send 500 New Zealand dollars or more, you go into the draw to win a return trip to Samoa plus 500 US dollars spending money.
Wow.
So we have a few holiday packages. We're calling it holiday packages because obviously December. So you won't be able to travel until next year. But at least, especially this month,
oh yes.
So there'll be a lot of them sending money this month. So just know there is a chance if you use ClickX to send money to our MyCash account, Digicel Samoa. So when you go on ClickX, you gotta select MyCash for Digicel. Ina yam fayona la for tupe ang telefoni Digicel. Ona e qualify le to say. I believe our first draw is on the 1st. I think that's a Monday. 1st December. So we will have some winners early on. So starting from the 10th, which is the Monday next week, Leaupepe Lene, you're in the draw for that first draw on the 1st of December, which is a Monday. I whatau foi sau top up tolus futala New Zealand pesiliatu mai whaloloa o the dairies, supermarketi, petrol stations, malafo anga inungu mela Digicel Samoa. Mo whaloa vango kong le kako drawanga mo sau holiday package, which we are doing the first draw on the 1st of December. Then our second draw will be the first Monday of January. So everybody else who sent a top-up in December will all be in that draw, or send money in December will all be in that draw. But the first draw, the 1st of December, it's everyone who's sending money and top-up in November, starting from the 10th of November. So there's chances, two chances for you. Ai le manguia le se ile la fai le 1st of December. Yeah, koe la se se okupe at December, ma la se se top up. Yeah, a kongo po mo so avongo. So the return ticket, you can use it from February next year until June. So you have a couple of months. And whaionga e alu e whaongala holiday package nga. It's a return ticket. Whapea leke te nirin, le mele masangin ka whaoai le sa. Yeah, it will fly you from Dunedin to Auckland, and then to Auckland to Apia, yeah, back to Auckland, and then to Dunedin. So that's a return trip.
Yeah.
Yeah, not only that, yeah, le lama ko vakuale lima se lau kala Amerika. Langa wa faisira ikike lima se lau kala New Zealand. So we're gonna just change it to US, just to give you more to spend when you're in Samoa. Yeah, wale whaingo fie, pelo ka ngua ku Samoa. Yeah, ai saule la whanga ko ainga. Yeah, saule usor. Yeah, at least lo e kupe ave lo me alo fala ulinga.
Mali lava. Ai, tātou pe tau te manatu, foi le whatau waa le mea le top up, ia, o le lafunga ia, o le lafu ino le seleni, mo le tupe i Samoa, ia, o le mea o tātou masani ai. But if you think about sending a top up to Samoa and the opportunity, le awa noa e te ono manu malo ai i le tātou holiday package, ia, o ke ofo. Ke ofo oi la le ko anga e lafungi anga tapap I le nei masina ma le masina o te sema. So all those who go into the draw for November will be in the December draw, and all those who buy in December will go into the January draw. The first Monday of January. Sao lea Leaupepe.
Yeah, sa lele sa. So ai e vai lua whapenga inga ia a whaingo pie I hoi inga customers lai loa, you know, e refa penga kasi draw. No, there's two. I sa lelo kal, if you think about it, ava pekalo le dairy whakau le top up kolu sukala. And you have to dial the 0800 number. You have to send the top up yourself. O ke pu ela ko top up ela fo lo a inge Samoa. E ka ngo fila ko e fai, so no ingele mo so entry.
Yeah.
I ke we lucky. Yeah. From that $30 la mono return trip, ko mo mo lima se lo kala America. So it is a good price.
Yeah.
And the good thing about it, we might be doing two holiday packages.
Yes.
Ele draw le fai mo Noevma. And we might be doing two for January as well. But if for lava mankuelenga o ka kole la fo le kupe ma le top up. O la fo kupe top up la ukonga. O la hiki. Ya fa penga fo I Vanuatu and Papua New Guinea.
Yeah.
But most of the time, o ka ko sa mole keringa lucky ka ko se. So let's hope that would be the case. And ke wa mga mises ya lo escort ka ko winners. Ya se o karsanga pem fenka o le sa
Yes,
ave ya ka.
whawhetai. Nā ue sila fia lau numera ma le Facebook, ma le emaili, nga umalava, ta lia ma le anganga whawhetai. Whawhetai Leaupepe. Ta se mai I le tātou ti au marketing, e moni lava. We're in November, but obviously time will go fast. Te sema, and ole nganga lo fesili mo nei tātou ainga I o lo fia you know fa nga solo ni ala tu ngaluenga a mesel tātou so tātou partnership le ma Bluebird o le ase aso o lo I ase aso foi le fa ngata I ni oka for the end of the year, or you know, we'll be slowly working through right through the end of the year. But ese aso e tauana whaangata I for 2025. Ia whātou e whātali ele mo le tausanga fau wha mo leo pepepe mwhaiona whapula mai le vaenga lea mo nei o tatou ainga.
Whaftaile sa o tātou. E fua ia tātou aso e maloloi. Ia aso lai maloloi fo le Bluebird. So you know the statutory holidays masani lau o la so Christmas. Ia man Boxing Day. Ia le ngata na I o tausanga fau. Receive orders I temina. Ia. E mwhana mato whaya. O lau ala furto oka. But e whato a ki liva iaso ia e whainga ruenga le Bluebird. So And there's no time limit for lele o te mea tau sauni o tau whatou oka matongi nei New Zealand. Ta ume o tau ya mātou le aso e tau kiri vali tau oka bluebird ana e tau ainga. So, a whai se tau whatau bluebird. Ia, whafsota i menta tau tia marketing alo i edwhitalenga tia. Ia, en whaunso soani i watu le quote i le tupe New Zealand. Ia, e tutongi ai nei New Zealand. Ia lau oka, ia ai ki liva le bluebird i Samoa. Ia pia i whawhorto ai ngai piki pia whapea, ai tau te mana o e piki, ai de mana o e ki liva le tau ora. Ai o tatou i meli e tauna i meli mele oka pia whapea e te refia salu ofisa, a whaifo e whawhato au ki lani le tau te maua ma tatou pokalami. Ia, na le i meli mea le info@tlmarketing.co.nz, o tatou i meli na mwhana e fsota i mei. A mela oka will provide the quote. Ya e umalona pay mai. Ya mafailona mato file bluebird e kiliva lola oka. Ya e mana mia for finance ya lo yed mato partnership ma le Samoa New Zealand finance I manukau. Ito te ola auto e avele quote e sanga to finance. Ina ia mfai ona pay lau oka. Ai o le tulanga na mtangi we will only rest yaso ye e malolo for New Zealand. Ya maso fo la malolo le bluebird I Samoa.
Malo, maro whawhtai. I think one important thing, ia ono tātou I aso la, ia o tātou masani I le tātou company o le Bluebird, ia o masani ia tātou, ia nao lau papa si ma vaenga e whau il whale. But ia mana tū le tātou tunu I aso nei, ua mau e fwoi ma TV, Io, o mau moenga o no fo o lo te wawai atu le tātou website o le Bluebird. Ia, o lo iei mea fale ma whai ona oka. Ia atonu, if you want to get it in before Christmas, whai mea lofa atu na ia inga I Samoa, ia, se TV 4 le kowe aku I le smart LED 32 inch le maua I le Bluebird. Ia, e le leo na vave whai lau oka. Ai le yo aku ki lisi masi ke wa fiu kakali me sa mo se TV o e o kwa le ko songa fo le ko ngaku
Mane tu langa le we sa no ile sa mo na ia inga fi fa ni mala for Christmas ka e le alo su mai matal no mai polan mala pala te manga e fai por TV por pusa aisa por masinta me
yeah
ya pa italia lo ma to masu mele tau e le va pay and then we'll make sure it's put aside a bluebird ya ta o me ole sa ki diva se price at to ai yeah that's another good way to gift your family in Samoa le o fai sa la to fatau ya la e muenga
yeah
setting no for ya o mena e fi la vana ia inga mana o ini me photo no mota malao ya le fai ona tongi atu I New Zealand don't have to worry about sending the money ya pai venga ke manga a surprise ya ete ya to inga o cool kili val bluebird ya ko ko missing a message so me malo fana Christmas ya mai ale sa yeah, wale tatu ai. Yeah, you know, that's a good surprise because they're not expecting it,
yeah
but we are able to arrange it through Kakotia marketing.
nice yeah big thank you to our marketing mo le tatou partnership le mo le Bluebird fa fengo fia ia fa taunga ia mo nei o tatou ainga I Samoa ele ngata na o le our marketing ia alo o yei le tatou au o nanga ale talofa voucher Yeah, Mali Pacific 40. Yeah, more tato gas power. Yeah, mawhatonga I Samoa. Any updates from our Talofa voucher as we head into the final stages of this year? Lau whionga Leaupepe.
Le sa leo fa popo fa leo nanga le CSL limited. So or CSL, they were one of the first computer service shop in Samoa. So they're selling electronics as well. I think they're selling mobile phones.
Wow.
So definitely whaunga mo le whainga la fota fa voucher le CSL. Ia I furto wa inga whaila tu
Nice.
whatau,
Yeah.
kele la ko electronic products, whainga whatau laptop, whainga whatau computer, la fwoi ma whai ona whatau wai ma le Starlink,
Oh,
mana
yeah.
e whai se internet tau a inga Starlink, yeah. Ele ala se internet sa tu sa mua uninterrupted. E tu sa po fe tu fali po whangaloa because a lot of that is
Yeah.
blocked by the mountains. Yeah,
Yes.
Starlink. They will be able to have internet. So faso tai fai tato ofisa le Pacific 40 in nine mountains Samoa melo yet tato Digicel Matia marketing. And fai felena so soan ya tu langana.
Nice.
And probably the last bit lesa.
Mm.
Yeah, o le tato Samoa herbs
Yes.
to tele la vai la to lo mai fa taule vai se salapa ma le vai yesi ma le vai tamalingi.
Mm.
So Vitamalingi, some feedback we've got back is apparently Vitamalingi is the miracle tree. They call it because of the um, sort of like an anti-aging compound. Yeah, por la mowai. Yeah, tailo ye. But feel free to do your own research. Ole moringa. Moringa. Le ngoa le
Maling.
o le kako herpo le fai mai le tamalingi.
Mm.
Ia la mai sa mo. Ia la ko le sira mo kua fa mai o le me o ngai le vai le fa mai. O le vai ngai ko e ke ko la ki ki ka mai o. Ia le aila wala wala kama ngai. But you know I think mo ka ko ia la wai lo le nga le vai ala ia ko. Yeah, I think our biggest challenge at the moment is consistent in supply.
Supply.
So giving it a try. We're just serving first come, first serve.
Yes.
Yeah, point apply, then we wait for the next to arrive from Samoa.
Mm.
There's been some really positive feedback from our community, so I'm glad we're mako partner male Samoa herbs.
Mm.
And if they're also showing a sour products are Samoa herbs. So apparently la foi ele la ko ti o avoka male male kuava. So those will be available later on. All these plants, they they were used by our ancestors to for health reasons
Yeah.
back in the days. Ia le whala wala tusi tamari ile o Samoa ya Patrick Rankin. So he's processed it in a way so that it's easy to store, easy to use, and it lasts longer, and it's affordable as well. You think 20 New Zealand dollars are giving it because of the whakaā maka.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just offering at $20. I know in some areas it's $30,
Mm.
but because of the yeah, and also we're just making sure we're introducing it for the right reason is to help our people.
Yeah.
But paso tai mele tatu numera olu atase li mono to tolu fafa. Ya nam fai leo na awi li liu matua tatu au nangana. Ya ai fatai tele ale sa mo matua vanoa le neia uli. Looking forward to our Tosa More Boys the game on Sunday.
Yes.
So we're sold out uma so le jerseys o mikiafu
Yeah.
or fua. So it's been really good, but let's just hope they'll deliver on Sunday.
Yeah, tatou talusia ole it's funny you bring up tatou flags, tatou fo ole tau mai le to fai ato to le manino. Ole so e mai le ofisa sana fo mo le talonga le sosa. E se la mele so e mai le fo ato to o uma ia flags le tatou ofisa but sa le sa noanga ma ia talusia le tau mawhainga nei le tatou to sa mo, le tatou so le sa. Ia sao mauli fa moe moe ia manuia lau tapo inga sa mo le tule nga fa Leaupepe. Thank you for this evening manita update. Yeah, looking forward to next week. Mantua Samoa o le songofua ia e tatalai ia le tato draw. I mean le opportunity tato promotion lea ia mo le Digicel holiday package. Olu atasi li maono tol fa so ta ile fionga ia Leaupepe. So se au nanga lava ia Digicel tia marketing talo for voucher ia mala Pacific 40 mauel so sani le fionga ia Leaupepe. Thank you. Faftai mo le fiafi manuia ia toi temi o neiva yaso ma fiau mantiute tato filo el vers fo pe au le manuia.
Faftai lava.